लेट्स स्टडी अबव प्रिंसिपल टुडे। ये प्रिंसिपल हमें बताता है कि एटम के ऑर्बिटल्स में इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे फील्ड होंगे एंड दैट इंफॉर्मेशन विल हेल्प अस टू राइट डाउन द इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन ऑफ दैट एलिमेंट. So what is the statement? In the ground state of the atom, orbitals are filled in order to their increasing energies. It simply means that electron will enter the orbitals of lowest energy first. तो हम जानते हैं हमारे पास जो 4 ऑर्बिटल्स है, सब शेल्स है S, P, D एंड F, उसमें से सबसे जो लोवेस्ट एनर्जी शेल है दैट इज दी 1s. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन विल स्टार्ट फिलिंग इनटू दी 1s फर्स्ट. तो यहाँ पे यू कैन फाइंड द एरोज आर गिवन एंड द डॉटेड लाइन इज देयर. So the arrow will give us the information as electrons are entering into the subshell. After that, to which shell it's going. So according to this particular pattern, we are able to understand the electrons will come to the 1s orbital first. After that, it will move toward the 2s. After 2s, it will go toward the 2p, then 3s. After that, it will move toward the 3p, then 4s. After 4s, it will go toward the 3d. Then 3d, after that 4p. After 4p, it will get filled into the 5s. Then from 5s, it will go toward the 4d orbitals. Then 5p, then 6s. From 6s, it will move toward the 4f, then 5d, then 6p and 7s. Like this, it will keep on going, filling its orbitals according to the increasing order. Now this information will help us to write down the electronic configuration. So how we are going to write the electronic configuration of any element? So with this increasing order of energies where the electrons are filled, and that order is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, 5p and 6s.